Nana. Nana, where are you going? Vente, ven. Ven, opa. Vente, vamos a cantar, ven. Vamos a cantar, ven.
My friend, we went to the play date today. She has a toddler bed. It's bigger than a toddler bed. It's like a day bed, but it's longer than a toddler bed, but it's low to the ground, and she's selling it for like $30.
Okay.
I haven't talked to Ivan about it yet, but I was thinking of maybe getting that because I could probably lie down with him on that bed and then get him to sleep and sleep away.
Yeah.
And then he'd be in his room. And we can take the crib and put it, double bed downstairs, blah, blah, blah.
Vamos, Lili.
Okay. So,
Vamos, Lili. Opa, vamos a cantar.
here, let's put your boots on.
Ven, los zapatos.
Ay, good. Oh.